The administration has finally published federal regulations on how states can bulk import Canadian medicine. And just as Florida began voting, HHS Secretary Alex Azar also sent a letter to Congress certifying that these programs would be safe and save lots of money. But the letter contained no proof of safety or savings. According to drug policy expert Rachel Sachs, it loads expensive extra work on states by requiring them to recreate their own version of the FDA to do foreign inspections and licensing. That's expensive. Pharmaceutical economist Adam Fine noted that because state Medicaid programs won't get rebates for buying Canadian medicine, they probably won't save any money. Medicaid experts in Maine and Colorado have pointed out that Medicaid's low prices and rebates means that they already get some drugs cheaper than Canadians do today. We've been saying for years that Canadian drug importation programs cannot save money. The final regulation included a blank worksheet that really proves our point. As for safety, we've heard promises from legislators over and over that these drugs will be protected by track and trace, but it's just not true. Medicine in the US gets a trackable number the minute it comes off the factory line. Medicine made for Canada does not. These products will come from untraceable sources. We'll never really know where they came from. Canadian drug sellers have repeatedly sold us counterfeit medicine. Some never even went to jail for it. How many more Americans will be hurt before we learn our lesson? Of course, the Canadian government, wholesalers, patients, and pharmacists have all stated their categorical opposition to letting us raid their drug supply. And despite all these problems, states are proceeding anyway and are already spending millions and millions of dollars to set up these programs. Odds are good they're going to need to cut corners to save money because they promised voters they would do this. But cutting corners on safety will endanger us all. The Council for Affordable Healthcare Coverage says that Canadian drug importation is a false promise to Americans. We agree. To learn more about the dangers of this policy, check out our website at www.safemedicines.org.